my channel, and today is all about the Amazon hacks and home decors that I've gotten along the way. And I wanted to show you guys what I've received and all the things that I've purchased for my new home. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. So these are the stools that I received from Walmart. These did come damaged. As you can see, the hydraulic pump is like sticking outside from the box. But I needed some new stools for my house because I did not have anywhere for my guests to sit. So I was like, you know what? These were very affordable. They're only $150. I will try to link them down below so that you guys can purchase some if you guys are in the market of looking for some stools. But I just wanted some sort of plain white stools for my bar area that I have in my kitchen. This is how they look. I love these stools. They're plain, they're simple, and they are getting the job done. So this is going to be an area where my guests are going to be able to sit because I had no place for them to sit. The next item that I received is from Five Below. I just got some cute little knickknacks to put around the house. These rattan baskets are going to hold some of my supplies that I sell or inventory that I sell on my site. So like my sage, my dragonwood sage, anything that I need to put, I'm going to place them inside of these rattan baskets. I did get a desktop bookshelf as well for my new desk that I received. But these little cute little knickknacks are going to go around the house just to give it some flair. As you guys can see, I'm going to be using these fake plants or succulents and add them around the house. You guys, look at this beauty that I found on OfferUp. I'm going to put this on the corner of my home. I do have to buy a chain so that I can lift it from the ceiling, but it will be going in that corner. But look how beautiful. I found this on OfferUp for a steal. It's only $200, and these go for about $300. Got this mirror thrifting. Y'all already know the deal. I have to sage everything that comes into this house, especially if it's been thrifted. Even if it's not thrifted, you should still sage anything that comes into your home because it does hold energy. So I got this from the thrift store. It was only, can I focus? $40. But yes, this is like going into one of the rooms because it is going with the theme. So the theme is rattan Tulum vibes. I want my place of sanctuary to be very peaceful and calm, and every time I think of Tulum, since I've been there twice, I think of that. I love Tulum. I actually want to get a property there, but until mama makes that money to get that property, we're going to create that vibe within our own home. So yes, so this is what I brought. Isn't it cute? These go for about $300 and up, but I got mine for $200 on OfferUp, and I will be placing it in that corner right by my bookshelf. But look how beautiful it is, and I love the design. The design is really unique. But look, and it came with this as well and 2 pillows. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna take some glass cleaner. I'm going to clean this glass. But look how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness. I can't believe, I've been looking for something like this forever. I got this from the thrift store, but I wanted one. I found one on OfferUp, but it was just too much money. I am going to get a floor length mirror for my room, but I wanted to clean this glass. Gotta clean it, Lola. Clean it. Make it all nice and shiny. Now I am at Home Goods and I went to go purchase a little bit of knickknacks, and I will show you guys how I placed them around the home. And these were super affordable. As you guys know, this vase was about $30. That mini vase was about $25. And I'm going to show you the books that I'm also placing just for place decor in the home, just to give it a little bit of flair, like I said. And these I will be placing them randomly throughout the home. But they came out perfect. Now this gadget, I got it off of Shein side, or Shein, Shein side, Shein. And this is basically my towel holder. Isn't this cute? It's like a rope. It's so beautiful. Now, the next item was actually really large. Took me a little while to get inside the house, but I wanted you guys to see this. It's a unique piece. Viviatera, I think I believe it's called. Don't mind me, I'll just link it down below. But this is a unique piece that I really wanted. I love unique pieces for the home. I saw this unique piece online. I just had to have it. You understand? It is made out of pure solid wood and it's beautifully crafted, and I wanted to put this in my garden room. If you are interested in this piece, I will leave it down below so you guys can get one of your own. But it is absolutely beautiful and it is a statement piece. All right, Brittany,